अस्सलाम वालेकुम। एक सेकंड। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप लोग? उम्मीद है ठीक होंगे। चलें, we are welcome you all here. I am Dr. Mohammed Ali Rabbani. I'm Assistant Professor Anatomy, and inshallah I will be your guide for this session today. Today we are trying to embark on a new journey. We will. It is an 11-day course, totally free for all, as you have joined live, and some of you will see it later in a recorded session. There will be daily 2-hour session for the gross anatomy for the next 11 days. I will try my level best to cover the subject of head and neck during this period to the best of my abilities. And in the beginning, I would like to ask you, so be a little gentle with me. I hope so. It would be, I'm a human. If I make a mistake, please bear with me, and please do mention in comments if you have any suggestions or any corrections in mind. About topic of today, currently we are going to start the osteology of skull. This is our topic for today. We will see skull in the different views that are also known as normas. Most of you, a lot of you are reading BD Churasia. So the language that is used is Norma Frontalis when you are looking from the front, Norma Lateralis when you are looking from the side, Norma Occipitalis when you're looking from the back, Norma Basalis when you're looking from the base, and Norma Verticalis, not shown in this current slide here, but you, when you look from the top, you see the different views of the skull. The skull is made up of a large number of bones, and it is divided into two parts. The part which houses the brain itself, that is called Neurocranium, and the rest of it, that is making the face, it's actually a part is overlapping. This will be Viscerocranium, the one that you see on the Norma Frontalis, that will be Viscerocranium. So we will go through them one by one. Let's start with the easy aspect. I will be moving from Norma Calvaria, then Norma Frontalis, Norma Lateralis, and interior of the skull. In the last, we will go to the base of the skull, and we will try to move the mandible topic. When we will do the temporomandibular joint, inshallah, we will cover it with that.